Are you looking for the perfect cordless drill for your next project? We will compare 6 top-rated drills to help you decide which one fits your needs best. First, the Aspro cordless drill. It is a 16.8-volt brushless drill with 2 variable speeds and a built-in LED light. Its compact design makes it ideal for both drilling and screwing tasks. Next, the Black & Decker 20-volt max drill. This kit comes with 68 pieces, including a storage bag and various hand tools. It is a reliable choice for everyday home projects, thanks to its proven brand reputation. Third, the tool set with drill, a 108-piece cordless drill kit. It features a 16.8-volt lithium driver, a claw hammer, wrenches, pliers, and more. This set is great for beginners or anyone wanting a complete home tool collection. Fourth, the Avid Power 20-volt max lithium ion cordless drill. It has variable speed control, a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, and 16 torque settings. It comes with 22 drill bits, making it suitable for multiple applications around the house. Fifth, the Brushless compact drill tool set. It delivers up to 60 Newton-meters of torque and includes 2 batteries, 135 pieces of hand tools, and a sturdy toolbox. It is built for heavy-duty tasks and daily home repair. Finally, the DEKO Pro cordless drill. This 20-volt electric drill set comes with a battery, charger, and various drill driver accessories. Its compact design and reliable power make it a solid choice for both casual users and serious DIY enthusiasts. Whether you need a simple drill for small projects or a more powerful one for heavy-duty tasks, there is an option here for everyone. Check the links in the description for more details on each drill, and let us know in the comments which one you would pick.